Tripadvisor is known for doing a bunch of good tests. One in particular, one testing strategy I really like, once you get a product going and you're trying to figure out, okay, where do we put our effort in building? Do we build this feature next or this feature? They had this problem even when they were, even today. And in order to figure out which feature they should build, they did what they called internally 404 tests. Now, a 404 is the code you get back from a web browser whenever you click on a link that doesn't exist. So if you see that like file not found page on a website, that's a 404. So what they would do is go onto their product pages and add a feature with a link that went nowhere, that went to a sorry, we've had an error page, and they would just measure how many people clicked on this one versus this one, and they say, well, we should go build this feature. So little simple things like that, just to test what do you want to build. It's much cheaper than trying to build two things, even in a small way. So this is actually just the last slide of a bunch of links for different tools you can use to measure all this stuff. I'd say, are people here familiar with Google Analytics? Great free analytics service. I would highly suggest you use it. Google also has Optimize, which will dynamically swap out so you can do A/B testing on your landing pages. Prototyping, how to get users, and yeah, just some links to everything here that I'll send out to everyone.
And can you use Optimize?